I done, man, I don't know. That net, so I catch an angle now.
Yeah, I said, tap with foolishness, you know.
Tap with foolishness. Tap with foolishness. Audio, I cut out of there.
Gotcha. Can't find a taxi. I look like he might go down the road. See them cockatiels, man.
Well, Mr. Grant, long time I don't see you, man.
It's a butler, man.
What you do?
Tired. Yeah, look at taxi I try for reach in a Negril town. Go 45 minutes. No, I turn up the road, can't find it. I say I couldn't so I'm come like nothing see you way. I look like rain I go come in.
Boy, I say go around. I saw money me grow on the suffer from Mr. Brown there. Me build up in upstairs at the house. And me grow on there, the man I tell me say me can't get my money now. Me I make sure me tell him say no man, me we come around this and take off every block off of that the house there. If me not get for my money.
Try the justice system.
Justice system. This a justice system is no justice with people like we when I have no money. You hear?
Yeah, but you know why you put yourself in another problem, man. Try it. You don't know. It may just work for you. If you not try it, you don't have a case.
Well, you look like so since yeah, Sandra and again, man.
My brother there. Sorry for cut you, but you don't see that one there for brother there that give me a try, but I don't gone already still. When they wonder about it, but we not even I mean what people stay and people was me see you. You know from where you come check on a place for me. My uncle died, left a piece of land give me, you know. But you're not familiar with the place, man? Man, a sugar man store, man.
Yeah.
The plan, me have the plan and everything. So, I don't really want you give me an estimate.
Well, how much bedroom you want to start with?
4 bedroom, you know. Me actually send it to you. So, when I look upon it, you don't have your phone. I send it to you now.
Maybe get it, man. I left my phone around the yard there with the pit in them. So, maybe see it. Them boy they did go and watch something on it, so I left my phone with them.
They pit in them with the phone, as you say? Them are social media pit. The youth them were born in the 2000s. Just social media they depend. That's all in the pan. Also my youth ball for my phone too, but I have to make him know so you can't work for my phone. So.
Hey, right now you have to be careful of them sitting over there have a pit them and watch, you know.
Yeah, someone look like he not even. Sorry for your interrupt. I just throw my.
I don't come good on you, so you like say your mind 2 days so from Sandra left you.
Where do you come with Sandra? If you like Sandra, you not take Sandra, bro.
Babe, why you home so early?
What you mean? What do you mean? I mean, I come home, I can't come home again.
So you can't give me a hug?
So you want a hug now, like right now?
Yeah, alright. I can't read my mind or something, you know.
So why you just like this?
Babe, me have a surprise for you, you know.
Really now?
Yeah.
What kind of surprise?
You see, from last night morning, you know, when you're too busy and things, I'm say, this, me just the one, me say me don't like you read my mind, you know.
Really? You was thinking about my baby?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. So come give me a surprise no more. Oh, so all of this is for me?
Yes.
You don't have anything under that, don't?
It's all for you too.
Why? So come give me, you know.
Wait, look first, no. You're in a rush, you know.
Sun hot and I want to get out all of these clothes. Jesus.
Alright, since I just so insistent,
Of course, baby. I don't understand it. You don't normally come out of the house that way, yeah?
Hurry up, man. Let people see the outside. Look. Baby, gate, no, the gate, alright.
So, you say I pull you something. You say.
Yo.
Shiloh, what you dealing?
Yeah, look down there, so.
Boy, I tell you, say, boy, somebody if you call link me, but I know me can't see person. They come like, say, boy, I can just call it a day, you know?
They up on the ground are going easy. Taking the place, you know, I want to look a nice place to live in, you know.
Yeah, man, run us all right and nice and quiet, man, you see me?
Boy, don't pan our side no quiet, man.
How comes?
Boy, the bike them and the pitney them. Boy, all Mr. Butler pitney them, yo.
Yeah, man, let me tell you, say, Bridging, how it times change and everything, man. Cause, you know, me and your elder to rotting and so forth. And then little boy and I have nothing in respect, man.
And me, as a whole time, bad boy would run.
Yeah, man, man.
Never used to move some of my days.
No, sir.
Terrorize the city and them something there.
Yes, man.
They used to go look food and go swim and carry a girl. Boy, I tell you now.
Oi. Back then, you know how the community stay. We open a place, we do any little thing, nothing never is so happen and all them things.
Dancer keep cane man and jelly man outside. Nowadays dancer keep not even chicken man out there, you know.
I mean, a different generation them, you know, man. I don't know what them are eating or how they buying a virgin. Butler now go and go either. But him fit drape them up. A young boy, at the end of the day, might not end up with none.
Man, drape them up for him.
Yeah, man. How you mean, man? Let me tell you, you know.
Look like a little boy and put on all bleaching cream, you know. And the man brown already, you know. The next one soon start following the next black one, you know.
Why? Birds are for feather, flock one. But me can't tell you this, you know. Butler, you see film two picking them. Yo, anyhow, me catch any one of them around here, say no foolishness, you know. You see this? And that me I use my name, you know, old school, you know, I belt them, you know. This no feel, you know, man. I got a belt, yo.
No, man, beating nah, do not. Yo, you say when I punish them, I best thing for them. Tell them on fire road. I saw them behave like a goat.
Anyhow, me catch any of them, I go out them foolishness, I give them a belt and you will hear about it. If me belt, we talk. No worry yourself.
Listen up, we link up.
Come on, don't worry yourself, man.
All right, my brother.
Big up, man, respect.
Hold on, man.
All right, man, for go here, man. I'll go in.
Girl, why pray? There. Everything good. Run that's what I did there. Sit down, make it some breeze, because they are boring. So yeah, such boy. Do have a man. Just me, myself, and I there. This Alex left. Frowning. Alex a dog. You know, so any man who have any of their name a dog. Say. And yeah, I still don't cool out still. And that's some money me want. But me get a call still. If you do want to look babysitting work. But me do it tell the girl and me I tell her say man have 2 bad breed pitney day. All one of them a favor. You know what the little black something with the Africa about tenge? Yeah. One of them favor tenge. Yeah. Girl the rough pie me girl. Rough bad. I'll put a wall.
Yeah, go on it.
Nothing. There. Me and my friend there talk.
Come here and talk to you. Good evening.
Back.
But as me did tell her earlier, me have a little meeting. Then?
So you don't tell me you want to stay the 2 bad breed paying them again.
No man. Listen man, me understand say the first time was a rough time, you know, but me I beg you. Me nah know other choice. Me nah nobody else. Me don't even want to lift them with nobody because me don't trust nobody with me.
So make me want to lift them with again.
That's true, me not really another choice. Me put little extra on him, man, for you.
Make sure you call from my house. Yeah, I can push the through the side and make more from bed.
No man, watch you know. You have to be grateful of where you come from, you know.
I true that still.
Me know say even little money what me I give you, it probably not enough still, but me know it probably can continue by a little bit more black, honestly. But you have to be grateful of where you come from sometime. You understand? You can't follow your people, you know. And all they want to do is just go bar and drink and them. They can't really follow people. You understand? I mean, I throw no word for nobody or nothing like that.
Oh, can I feel my friend that talk?
No, so I never said such thing. Even though I don't know your friend. But as I say, when you come stay with her for me.
What time?
If you can't come right now, man, because I go where I want to go. No, just go get some clothes and come. Maybe I say wait for you.
Alright.
Yeah.
But if you hear say me kill one of them, I hope you don't like me, okay? No way pity then stay.
Alright, listen to me now. No, don't kill it now, go on or nothing like that. Nothing like
me no want nobody pity cause stress me, because I'm too young for stress. No. And the only reason why I did that job here to achieve, I want the money if you finish build up my house.
Alright, I understand your pressure, man, but go on. Go on, man. My day I saw wait for it. Body.
Librin.
And what's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley? So are you friend long time?
From school days.
From school days?
Yep.
I said shy. You don't really look on people. What make?
Come and really talk up to people.
What make?
Auntie, you know?
Your anti-social?
Yeah. She alone me have as friend.
She alone have as friend? Okay. Alright. Are you ready? Alright, but we catch up another time, here.
Alright.
Alright. Boy, Billy Joe.
What on?
Boy. You like to deal with a wicked man.
No, listen. I tell you, you know. I have to give thanks to life, you know, cause that is town that we blow up. I have to go out that door, go tie up my little house on a stone. You don't move.
Boy, I see you're still standing, man.
So me good, me give thanks to God.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And you look people then come around and give you a little free food, but you know, a little pound of rice and 1 pound of flour, and you know, give you no half bag, you know. We, the older people, them then look and we give you 1 pound like we are idiot. And when voting time come, you see them a come through if you go vote.
Listen to me, man. We don't even want to talk about them, you know. Because them take for a puppy show. It's a puppy show government we have.
So what you do around here, so?
And they come from around the road there and me I tell her, say, boy, Sister Russell and daughter around them and him coming like a sword.
Oh, shit? You lucky you never take away your little money.
Listen, all the one or if top bring this heap of man come in the community. Sometimes I don't know peace around them, man. Do the amount of man that come here. I'm fear for my life.
So you never know.
Hmm?
You never know. She love man like how both love Neil.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Them, you know, for me days, the woman never done so. One woman used to produce 15 and 16 pitney. Now, one man, one pitney, and all 20 father.
She not go top. I thought she tan. You see how Jamaica hot? No matter how the country I get hot, jacket still I sell enough.
What do I that, you know? Mr. Butler have 2 boys around there. Just a terrorize the place, man. You have 2 bad breed picnic around there. They tell you Mr. Billy Joe.
You see, every one of my picnic that me get, me use the last dollar go do DNA. Because me don't want to go tell me say daddy not available until he get old.
Me glad them fixed that at the hospital. Now when they pick them born, them will know who are them father from early. Me not know peace on my shop.
Right now, only 2 youth me know used to bad, you know. And they still bad. Them bad like a yards. Them name bad. When they put bad in a bad, them name bad. Me we get them carry them come here, you know. Then we put them 2 little kids in a barrel and roll them off a hill, you know. Them take serious thing make joke, you know. You know, so the other day, me I go around so, go check Sister Patsy, you know. I'm going in the room, I mean, in the bed. A big boy and Chucky in the bed account. Every joke, me joke. Me a 1, 2, 3. They want to take...
Where them the 2 little boy they come from, man?
We see them bad.
And they put up a money. The baddest one win.
100,000.
100,000 they put on the board. Alright?
I want to pack him.
So a deal.
Deal.
This is a big boy gambling, you know.
Alright. Me I go back for me work.
Alright.
Yeah.
And they come good on your son.
Alright. I only want them to beat you.
Alright, I have to reach here. Come on, I know them little boy there. Alright, I know them little boy there.
Yes.
Which part of your brother there?
What the Sean? I don't know.
Me not tell you, I don't want you sleeping and sit here, you know, ball, you know, ties.
You don't want to city.
Hey, listen to me. You see the babysitter come here, she come here to stay with you again. And I don't want what happened the last time happen again.
What happened the last time? I never did do nothing.
Remember say I up a station, I come for you this morning, you know. You want to go back up there again?
No.
Eh?
No.
Just be by your best behavior. Right, sir? Me don't want nobody. Me don't want to hear no more report about you again, you know. Because I'm back to school now, and me have to go up. Me don't know where me will get the money from to buy, you know, on the shoes. I know I can't tell about the clocks and one. Eh? With them the trouble they want to argue. Hey man, get up and go wash your foot them, man. That's all I want is nyam, eat and poop in this place, yeah.
If they give me no trouble, you have to go pay me double. I'm serious.
Hey, sorry about that here. As I say, we have a very important meeting and...
Sir, please, don't stay too long. Because you know how you pin the day stay.
No man, no.
The first time I come here, they tear up my paper for me to carry a court and they can't bother with it. So please just hurry up and come back. Come in and go stress over your picking them. Come in and have money yet, because you know how they stay already. 2 bad breed picking you have.
Alright, I'm about with that, man. But alright, I saw come here. I saw come. I go up on the road.
Alright.
boy. You come here so they eat and not even would have for me no food. Beg you some of your food.
You want some?
Give me some of your food, man. I'm hungry me from morning.
Girl, from morning, how comes?
Right now I'm broke, girl.
So comes you hungry. And last night we got road and how much business you do?
Bills to pay now.
How much business you do last night? I can buy one food to you.
The man them will come last night at half a money. When I charge them more money, a half price they have.
Boy, rough bad. Rough bad. Yeah. How comes from morning?
You know how much business me have to do?
No, man.
Me have bill, light bill, me internet bill, all kind of bill right now.
So, all them business money they done?
I 3 business me do last night. And a half price. As me say, me have my rent for pay.
One cocoa full basket exactly. And a hard time. Last night I made a road here. And you make money.
I don't say watch my money, so if you give me some of food, I give me some of food.
No, but when time you go road and make money, you feel concerned that the food buy first. The bills have to wait. Cause food have to eat.
And when they put me out something else will happen.
Fuck tenant, fuck landlord. You have to make them know, say, them for come with them full price. Cause the good things them a get.
Good things, but them a ball. Them a ball so they don't have no money.
Alright, I'm gonna teach you something. You see when the man them come with them sharp money, you hold on on their phone, take off all their shoes, worse if a brand, Clark, so you can't sell. Then chain, gold chain. No money, no goods, they lock shop on them. Any little thing we can't sell back for make up back with your money. You know? Take away all them phone, go in them pocket.
What one?
But there.
It good?
Yeah, you?
I think I'm more forgetting no trouble today.
You better make sure because I come plan for you 2 hours. By the way, where brother? Where that one day?
You can't ask me. I need plan to go sleep and the boy run away.
So if I don't know say that brother missing?
You see? I tell you what they there. When they run away. They asleep.
So why you run away?
I don't know. To post him, they popular game.
Oh. So that's all you want to talk to me about?
Like how me alone there. You can see who taller. Like you in there.
No. Tell me taller than you. I'm a big woman for you. You're a little pitchy.
So you can be my girlfriend?
No. Me a big woman for you about girlfriend. You're a little pit me go sit down. You name me a girlfriend, boy you want a girlfriend?
I promise you, not tell nobody.
No.
Jesus.
You're a big woman for you, please no fit for me. Come. Push. Push. Tell me nice. And listen to me good. Me a big woman for you. Go look your size, boy, girlfriend. You know what I mean a girlfriend? What do you mean a girlfriend?
Somebody all over, a local person all over a girl.
Oh, and that your father a teacher? Your father not teacher not good. You're a little pitney. Supposed to take your book and you're supposed to have a girlfriend in your mind.
You're 16.
Boy, you're 16.
You got your heart on your sleeve.
Boy, you're 16.
On your back a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your color's changing. The world ain't half bad after all.
Can't mix up all your wants.
Na na na.
I tried business middle last night. And a 10 grand a piece.
Girl, me make money last night. Girl, me make money last night. I'll risk a fee me go last night. And book one nice big foreigner man, girl.
Yeah, girl.
Nice foreigner man, girl. Me well want you meet him. He man nice.
Good evening, Miss Tia.
Good evening. What you want?
Listen to me. I've been wanting to see you from the other day, you know. You see what's going on with around here? I don't like it. As the Homeowners Association Committee chairman, I don't like it.
What you not like?
Listen to me, you have too much man that come round here so that at daytime and at night time, man. I fear for my life.
I grudge you, Tia.
Grudge?
Grudge you. Because true want to buy and can't get a buy. A cheap Charlie, you know. A cheap Charlie.
Listen to me, you know what after me go so ask her, she tell me a price, you know. I'm say, all right, you know, give me a fellatio with it. She said, no. I said, me can't do business, so.
So how come the same amount of man come and you still come to her with $4,000? Eh?
Answer, love.
Answer.
The man them a hurt you? Eh?
Listen to me, man. The heap of noise and the drinking and the jing bang lead them when you continue to carry come here. Me don't like it. And I'm gonna ensure I report you to the police, you know.
I went there one time all police are come by. Soldier, liar.
It's illegal.
It's not illegal because police are by, soldier by, liar by, all judge are come by.
You know what? All I'm saying, please, just take the business out of the community. Take the business out, man.
Me selling my property, is it a problem to you in the community? Yeah, are you alone and complaining? Eh? Are you alone and complaining?
Because you can't get a buy.
Go on, you cheap like a one.
Cheap Charlie, look there.
Village liar.
Just look on him.
And last time when police come to me, come buy my front.
Yeah.
How wrong with you?
All police are by.
Village liar, you watch people
I pump feelings, yeah, carry. Cheap Charlie. Go on here, cheap Charlie. Ain't cheapy? About $4,000. I love people business and feel wanna spoil. We can't bother with all them big church out man here, you know. Me no look on them a road in a tear.
Next
me no look on them big church out man here road in a, you mad?
Next
with them little bit of money, you out harder them big church out man. They no look on them when you see them doctor.
Mr. Butler, hold on, Mr. Butler. Come on.
What I'm telling you?
What do you mean by warm to me? Big man, I'm tired to talk to you about your youth, them, man. Big man, you two you then come like them is a menace to me at even time, big man. Eh? You can't control them.
You sure say for me pick them and do that?
What do you mean by me sure say for you picking them? Then who is at them when time I come out here, me see them I can't go down the road. But like you picking them come and lick up my window blade them, boss man. Them lick up about 6 of the window blade them.
What me pick them and lick out the window blade?
Brother, the man them come at even time. I don't know why them choose of all the places to come play ball right in front of me yard. And then kick the ball so hard. When me come out, they run off. And I say, yo, so what them I run for? Only to find the whole of my blouse and skirt placed in a glass.
You see for me pick them do that?
What do you mean by me see them, Butler?
Man, I fix the window.
Hold on.
Look how much months now the window did there, so I give problem and you can't fix it. Eh? Which one I window them I say? You say?
The one runner, the back end runner, the runner side, the man a kick ball and I lick up my window, sir.
You mean the same gyro no window runner the back the way you lift up and push and open the door, try out the door?
So, Butler, how you know that? How you know about that window there? Where you do for me, Butler?
I don't mean. Because your woman have your road. Your woman have your road a chat someone.
Butler, don't make me catching it.
Boss man, I say me now come here yard. You ever see me come here yard?
I wasn't scared. Eh? But how you know about this window here?
Listen, you're not police. So me I do your yard. Eh? You're not police, man. Me have respect for you, man. You serve and protect your place, man. Me never do them this, man.
Butler, me mad that ex ya. Me say anyhow, me catch you come over for me yard. Hey, you know what? Best you go on where you go. Best you go on where you go, you know.
You know, how you do? Grudge me for me picking them because you can't breathe now, man. Eh?
I can't tell you that.
Karen never tell me that. Yeah, man, so just let me pick them out there, man. Just left them out, just left me pick them. Cause I make sure someone want them, you know. Make sure someone teach me to pick them Karachi, you know. And any day I don't feel like say you want to do them, you know, man. A problem on this.
Make sure mark this I say, hey butler, you see you and the one village liar. Make me catch one over me yard. Right. Make me catch one over me yard. I want to see what God gonna serve you. Here. While one Karen! Karen, come on. Come on, Karen.
We are coming here,
Come on, no man. Come on, Karen. Come on, Karen. Karen. Oh, butler know about the window runner back here, so.
What do you mean, butler know about the window?
Oh, butler know say the window runner, the side runner, so all you need to do is lift it up, push your hand through, and turn it up. How him know that?
Stop BF. So they must have pin them come over the other day. I'm not telling you that already.
How the pin? So where the pin in my do over me yard if we can know that, my friend, for go back to tell butler. Karen. Oh, me met butler coming on my yard, Karen. Eh? Wait, what kind of style that? Yo, you know hard man work at night time. And night shift me depending on.
So I think you come for beat me. Really?
No, man, I no need for beat you with that, man. At 7 years now, me and I forcing the car and that. Me make you know say, oh, me know for beat. You come
accuse me and even come and ask me what goes to. What wrong with you?
Accuse, eh?
You're overthinking and it's not good for you. You need to check yourself because nothing.
Overthinking?
You know what your things. Me and him don't have anything.
You say, I have to leave this place. I can't deal with this. Come on, work hard to protect and serve out there in the force, you know. And then for go come home and woman and me yard a cheat. Worse along with butler. Yo, you man, so leave the place, man.
Me nah left, you know.
What you mean by you nah leave? Karen, you have to come out of my house.
Okay.
Butler, you sleep with over this. Hey, look in the car.
Me sleepy, but yeah, stop it. Me nah do this with you today.
Yo, Karen, left the place.
Me nah left, you know, because you're accused me.
Me by nah left the place, Karen. Yo, come out of my place, Karen. No. Eh? You think I me your money by this? Look here, man, left the place, man. Left my place, man. Me by leave you. Leave out of my place, man. Come out of my place, man. Eh? You think I saw this thing I go? Eh? Man cannot work so hard and I force and you think I saw this thing I go?
You're gonna regret it.
Go regret what? You left man place, man. How you feel like? Make man come and sleep in a man place.
You feel like you're police, me brother, you give me stuff, then watch. Me gonna report you. It's alright.
Well, I'm gonna do your reporting, man.
Oh wait, GPS.
What?
Can you imagine?
What happened now?
I just coming from around the lane there, you know.
Eh.
I see the one Tia. And our little idiot friend.
What do Tia now?
When they talk to her about our behavior in the community. Me I tell her say, me no like what she go along with around here.
But that's true. She the top sell her body in the community.
Exactly. You can sell a body, you know, but not do it in the community. It's a little community, this, you know. You can't sell a body so in the little community. Next thing, you have all different men from all about to come in and so. I mean, I like that.
Well, you can't tap her from do what she had to steal, but it's wrong. She if you stop selling her body, what do you see her over Master Joe yard? They sell her for $1,000.
Listen to me, man. Me no business what she want, but me just not bring it in the community. Every day is a different man, so me fear for my life.
If you fear for your life, you can't take in a business.
We not in our own business, but we as the senior citizens in here, so we have more respect. We should, and nobody don't respect us. What? We don't respect we. We already have Mr. Butler and him pitting them to terrorize the place.
Yeah, I understand.
We have big boy and Chucky around this to terrorize the place.
No, me not sell my body.
Enough of days in there, you know how we used to do it?
How we used to do it?
We used to have to write it on a piece of paper and we have to meet with the other corner and then we meet up at that tree there, we have to meet up at that tree there. Now, it's like...
No, that we don't know, we know. We don't hide and do for things. We know nowadays, we come brawling with it, up front.
And that with this generation and the two brawling, that's why the place stands up. But you know what? I just can't go about my business now.
Yeah, can't go about my business.
Because they get too ranked. Because the man, you know, the man a thump in your eye.
My man not thump in my eye.
They pick up film.
Me hear them big overall, so me born with them. In a half years.
One of them there, you know, man, they might go give a piece of horse.
No, you listen to people business too much too. Something you hear when you hear. Hear our. Hear and deaf and see and blind.
They say they take beating.
See to me, and my man, make him thump me in my eye. Get to if it thump in a face, you tap see people business.
Oh man, stop take beating from a man long time.
No, because I still a take it.
Alright. Still if you say Arsenal's love.
I love. It's love.
Alright, look at me.
Yeah, go my business.
But me I tell a man the one tier man is to get to me man is be a man should carry around on this place here.
How deal with Shiloh?
What want?
How deal with?
There, you know. On the ground, you know.
Cool, man.
Where you are going with?
I don't know, no. Anything, you know.
Yeah, he's myself, man.
See? But yo, it's a butler. Come pitney them. They say the pitney them are so real.
You know, say them a pitney still, I mean, I like you, but...
No, man. Them pitney too bad, man. What I feel like we just want to tie them up and just beat them on them football and so.
Dan, you see party where them keep up, so? And them watch
Jesus Christ,
yes, when them cut the cake, the pitney them just go, so. And grab off everything off my table.
No, man, that's so real rebel, them man like only could menace in the community. Yo.
Man. And the man not even say, yo, for a big mess, man. Why not even say, take the thing in the hand, you know?
Yo, me don't know,
shuffle up the thing, man, if you're a mess, man.
And the man a big respectable man. Yo, that. But yo, me hear something about him too, you know. You don't make him fool, you know.
You must pay the rod and spoil the child.
Yo, I want girl thief too, you know.
No, me know that long time.
You know about that?
So why do you think them calling Mr. Buckler?
Right, me not even think about that. Yo, me believe, man.
You want to joke to you, daddy?
My God, yo.
In the yard, man. If you're going to work, and you get over there, what if you going to like him a little bit?
Pichu, though.
Where I say? And I over the yard, him going on. I said, go to work.
I want cannons, man.
Man, hold
man.
Together, man.
Man, to control the people, them, bro.
Yeah, so how me look?
You look alright. Why you worry so much about how you look?
I don't know, you know, man. You carry me off right now, so I have to make sure I look good.
You look alright.
Alright, so...
The babysitter call you?
You know, so I don't get no call from her.
That mean them a behave then?
Hopefully, because...
So, yeah.
You know, I have that to think about. After such a lovely weekend with you. You understand?
Yeah.
So, hope so them good, because... I have all them back to school thing for you get them out for them and something. So, I even promise you one piece of money, I want to make sure so you get it too. Because I know I have me up, you know.
No, I'm not going to have you come understand.
Because, yeah, I know say woman forget money, you know, Mr. Butler always paying debt.
Right.
You understand? So, yes, but one still.
Watch her, see them come here too.
Right, Bolan. Because I'm all in that, so I tell about that brother, yeah?
If you tell her. Yo, Butler.
All in?
Say man call it, you look man.
Oh, yeah,
say man call it Mr. Butler. Butler. Yeah.
All in?
Let me tell you something. In our community, you want decent man. Look at you. You're not even having belt. I want to you. Yo, you know what you have to do? Take your penny them off the road and take care of your penny them here. They run up and down all over and people them yard. I want to you can't grow up in by the way. Look at your face. You not trim up your hair and fix up yourself, man. I want to you talk about your name, Mr. Butler. Butler.
You know what? Let me can't go about my business. Because it's a man like you will have big motor road and I know use a yard. I want to come rank with man. You see a dirty penny them where I walk up and down on the road, take care of them you. Tell them off the road and nice up a penny them, man. The two penny them just come like a menace to society. I not see you them take off. Man, fire, so you look at me like you ally me at it. By the way, when you start down this, stop at the barber. If you're on a rasta, trim off that, man. I'm here. Hello, you must have me put food on your table. You ever put no food on my table? Man, look at you. You think me and for you? Go on with it, go on, yo. Man, and you're a shirt now. Marlene. Not even your shirt. Careful enough. Hey, Marlene, where you do? Right, you know some cousin? Your cousin, I say whole family I want, man. What can I tell you, Gran? You eat a tin mackerel without pepper. Pan you. Granny. Yeah, my friend. I forgot to give you the piece of labish. Guess who me see? No, Marlene.
Don't a Whitehall.
No, brother, you can't do that, man. You can't watch a family, man. You better go on with me, I go to you know.
Shiloh, some
watch
officer
family. You watch it.
I'm my family. I'm going where I go, man. Yeah, grandma. Marlene, with Mr. Butler. Don't a Whitehall. You better believe it.
Yes, brown man.
Yeah.
Mr. Butler. And then two pitney them. Just a terrorize the place, you know?
Me know. A bad breed.
Man, we need to do something about this as the elders in this community because if we not stand up our foot, them
Yeah.
If we not stand up our foot, them in this community, we can't live, bro.
That's a serious thing, man.
Same thing me tell you?
Yes, man. Me know.
I saw them little pick them all come up. It's good now.
The same thing.
I come terrorize me.
Because them I set no example. Crime I go take over the whole place and we can do what we have. True.
I terrorize. Me there at my shop, me can't tell me turn at my shop too long. Can you imagine me there at my shop so I time and they pick them, Jesus Christ, Mr. Brown man, and they tell them man, they pick them man.
Yeah, stop terrorize people. That's the same problem we have with them too.
Can you imagine?
Me know. Me know how we go, man. Me know.
But everything good though?
Everything good, man.
Alright,
me like your style, you know. Me like how you act and everything. Me love it. The only problem when me say as before.
No.
As another girl, you see the black girl.
Come on up at the club there.
Yes, let me tell you, you see the girl where you use the goat.
I get a better one for you this time. Listen. This is a big boys club, you know, big man club, and everybody know about them a club. You understand? Come in know feel special, you know. But this is a big boys club, so I'm gonna tell everybody, and everybody if you know about this a party. You understand? Because you know what Mr. Butler did there, you know.
That's a serious thing, man.
Because you know how him and the woman them run the second. You don't want him for a party. You understand? Look him what they go.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
All right, take care.
Yeah, man. Hey, now run the collate, man. Hold on, take that. Yeah, man. Shit, let me have that up. No, man, I'm not coming so early, man. Me so, you know. All right? Yo, Richie. Yo, miss you. Yeah, bless you. Here? All right, let's set that one. All right, cool. It's me a little rotted, man. Something's right, you know. Honey, I'm home.
Shit. Just stay in there, my word. Come on, come on.
Yeah, Butler. Yeah, man, if I'm when me, you come over me yard, Virgin.
Watch it.
Watch out.
No, man. As she call me for call help her fix.
You know, your shoes, Butler. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I say no.
Butler, yo. Yeah, my boy. What kind of thing that? Butler, where you do?
Yeah, man, I say no.
Yeah, you do over me yard, boy. Where you do over your boy?
Yo, yeah, hold on.
What mean, hold on? What? But when I wear that, boy, where you do over me yard?
Yo.
Butler, where you do over me yard?
I 66, man, I make you.
66 what? Yeah, what? Side man, Joe Grind, come at me.
No, man, nothing like that.
What?
They at work.
You think me there what?
I think they at work. You text me saying no leave work yet.
Me live here, this is for me yard.
I saw me can't help me with.
Come help you with the door thing close.
I saw me can't help me with.
But take before, come here woman. And my house is enough.
I saw me can't help me with.
This is my house. I may pay for this. Come here. What kind of foolishness are going on?
I overreact. Me tell you say something you can't help me with. Something you can't help me with in the house, over the fridge.
He come like him helping him damn self. Butler?
Yes, me.
You know what reputation Butler have?
Me understand what you say, B, but that's something you can't help me with.
Run out that place naked.
B, him have to take off his clothes to climb up.
So why have to take off his clothes?
Because he did that sweat, you know, or when he was working, he sweat.
You're damn right, you know when he was working, I said. You know, say, look here, you know reputation of Butler? And you can't tell me about Butler up there help you with something? Run out of my place naked like an idiot?
No, B, but me I tell you say something he did a fix on top of
it. Like him fix that damn business good. Can't be going to my idiot and think now you're nice and around this up. Me, before me even come growing up, I'm a peep. I'm here in the house, me hear the nice. You think me stupid?
Yeah, overreact, B.
Overreact for what? You hear me? I go down my bag, go hold a drink. If I come back, I might not have one, I might not have two. But I'm going to have a drink and wait till I come back, you hear? You stay there, I'm going to have a drink. I see who come. Out of order. I come my Butler.
I tell Butler someone want 20,000 around now.
Oh, what's up? Good evening.
What going?
Bring a piece of your pizza, no?
Yeah, that's for one thing.
Ooh, what a lovely pizza. Eh? What a lovely slice.
Say I'm going.
They come from down at the post office there. You see? They go collect my light bill. And I tell you, say it's a very, very, very high light bill them send come give.
You understand me? 15,000 for me come up to.
Yeah, there. What a hefty light bill.
15, I mean I have nothing panic but the fridge, the TV, and the washing machine.
Well, I know that. Yeah, they use a lot of things over there, a lot of current they burn.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's true still.
Listen to me. Mr. Butler.
Oh, I'm the Butler.
Tell me about Butler, sir. Mister. I don't want to walk through my yard again. So when I come over here, if you walk around, make people see. And stop the screeching through my yard, come over here.
And that I beg me pizza for tell me people business. Eh?
Listen to me, I'm not telling nobody business. It's your business. They tell you, say, I don't want Mr. Butler to walk through my yard. That me they tell you, say, don't make Mr. Butler to walk through my yard.
That's all I do. Sit down and watch people business.
Listen to me. Everything watching in the dark must come to light one day, you know.
If I don't want to take back my pizza.
Look, me not tell you again. Somebody go find out what you want him. Walk.
All I do is watch people business.
All me say just make him stop walk through my yard. The man in bad breed picking them, a terrorizing place.
Go away from here, man.
That's all them do, you know. Come on, me talk to you. Tell me if this right, Zine. Mr. Butler, and the one day, they do things when time your husband gone on the road.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell her, I have to go over, just make him man walk through my yard.
Yeah.
And then them, they sit next to you and walk away.
Oh, okay.
That right?
No.
You can't live with man and a man come in the yard?
No.
Okay.
You have to have respect.
Have respect, right?
Yeah.
Look for me. You have to have respect.
Yeah.
She don't have none. Come on. She don't have no respect. You need to appreciate that you respect her.
Yeah.
No respect in her, man.
Okay.
And then they walk and go on like them as somebody.
Yeah.
Hey, you are walking past us, so hold on. Go on over. Alright. Listen to me and listen to me now. But with the hospital, so I can't swim. So I'm not going to water, but I allow you to go in the water. I don't go far because if you're drowned, I can't go save you because I can't swim. So you can go in the water, but don't go far.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Hi.
Hi.
Anyway,
Kiana.
what's your chill?
Alright. Nice to meet you.
The same to you.
From around here?
Yep.
Oh no. Just come on river with one little boy who me stay with. Anyway, so I up to.
And we there on it. But I easy.
Oh. Jesus Christ, so me I tell about. Look which party for the guy know he pick me a John. Jesus Christ, him a John. What me I go do now? You can't go save because me can't swim. And come talk to you, Jesus Christ. Christ.
You talk to come on.
What you do? Pick me.
What's that? The style boy I use. I'm not like him at all.
John Fury. I never let John, nothing never do him. Watch me eye.
say, dog, why good and everything there. All that I say.
You don't know?
Yeah, Brittany, we hear that you cool Virgin.
Hello. I look for one Rasta man named Shiloh. You see him?
You know what I'm saying? Say over there, so do.
Over there, so?
Yeah.
Me not talk the fat Rasta man, you know, I talk this.
No, man. Yeah, I feel like say over there, so indeed there.
Over there, so?
Yeah. Yeah, over there, so in there, man. Right, somebody, man.
All right. I want to meet some picnic.
Yeah.
Mitzi and the mother?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw no grow tall.
Yeah, man.
All right. Hey, Shiloh. You know, sir, me know, sir, me ain't really plant peas and lines still. So, but that's something I really want to check about. Come on, chat. You know, say, yeah, original woodlum round here, say, you know. You understand? But me have a little mission, and I don't know if I can take care of the mission.
Me, I try me around the place, make you come to me now. You, a foul person. Remember say you make me go to jail already, you know. You're bait, man.
Shiloh, I mean, we can make bygones with bygones, you know, man.
So true. I'm here. I don't think now you come to me, you. Come to me straight, where I deal with?
All right, it's just, I hear say, are you the thief with people them sitting here? You understand? True, I did make good history, I did have to tell her, say, are you? You understand? But just make that be bygones, man. I just want a little 2 years to get the thief with goat dancing.
You say chat too much, though. Where I come? Where I deal with today?
All right. Mr. Butler have 2 boys around there. You understand? But him, Mr. Butler, and him pitting them just terrorize the place.
You know about like that already, man. It's like that you come with.
No, man, more if you teach him a lesson, man. More if you teach him a lesson. Because, you see me? More if, I don't know how much you charge me, you know. But more if you teach him a lesson. Make him learn. But no make him know, say, I mean, so just even pop one eye on or one eye the pitting them foot or something. You understand?
For what?
You understand what them do? They terrorize the place.
Well, now.
They can't have no peace over my shop.
Watch it, them look money the way I come with a joke. But good man. Yo, come with something different.
What you say, you're not take up a mission?
You say come with something different. So look at $500 then you come up with in your pocket. You think something broke down.
Alright, here what?
Yeah, man. Look up.
So I go and Stacy?
Oh, no, man. Give me a pack of Whistler there.
To Whistler, man?
Brown Whistler.
I have a Whistler. Well, you can good door. I can't come around my shop, you know. As I said. Well, say, you not take a permission?
No, I'm good, man.
Hey, Shiloh, just they need more if you teach them pitney their lesson, man. Them becomes a menace in the place.
Me do what I do, but I don't want your money still.
Yeah, all right.
Me do something, man, but I don't want your money, man. But I want to see something positive for me to do something. I don't want to just go do something.
All right, but I'm not doing that alone too, you know, Shiloh. You know, say, the one Mr. Butler need him to get out of hand, and I know you don't know about them, you say, yeah, you know.
Where I come with that?
You know, you have a hard working man, you work at night time and you all did everything.
Where your brain I come with again? Where I work with again?
All right. Me notice that Mr. Butler over yard on a regular basis, running on the day.
Over my yard?
Yeah, and you know me is a man not tell a lie. Me know everybody business runner saying. And you know me not tell you no lie. Me say him or your woman.
Him and what?
Him or your woman. Run the ramp up. When you did it.
Make sure say no lie I tell you now.
Me not tell you no lie, me boss.
My woman is over there.
Mr. Butler.
There's so much things with you here.
Me understand the pressure, man. Me understand the pressure. Me understand how you feel. No. But I understand now. Remember I said the money. No. I said the money when you thief, you know, man. It's not really fair. You understand? I rob you. But remember I said I'm about the cause this, you know.
Now kill them.
Don't kill the little pity them, but remember I said just teach me some about that lesson. The man in bad breed pitting them. Jesus Christ, man, I'm ball over a woman. Hey, son that! Hey, give me a... Son that! Give me a drink around there. Boy, son it. See the man a ball over a woman, man.
Ants. Which one? This one. Right. To watch that flow. Okay. Gosh. Wait. Take off this hair, man. What's this hair that? To my piece. Wait there. Let me tell you something. Let me go over a plan. You hear? Me will do this by myself. I'm serious. Right. You have to go stay right behind the drum, you know. Because if me come carry you with me, I'm not going to know, say, I'm me and you. And the motel. Wait there. See if he won't know, I'm gonna put him in a problem. So you have to go stay behind the drum. And me deal with him up there, so.
Where they are talk about twin? When you're there walk up there, so you see Kayani, you're there borrowing bicycle and
yo, me hear that already. Me do it already.
Barry, me go behind the drum right there, so go on.
Yeah. Me deal with this case.
Pussy, you know? Where man,
Please, stand still. Hands in the air. Y'all look in the air. Look down. Where near?
Village.
Shut up your mouth and chat much. Anytime you hear you go walk up a cake and parade and talk about me. And Mr. Butler Pitney, they must slap me and slap my face. Every time I Mr.
Yes, sir.
Shut up your mouth! Sure. Hey, do you got me to talk about Mr. Butler Pitney, they may kill you.
Please don't kill me.
Shut up your mouth and shut your mouth. You farmer. Yo. Hey, do you walk over and slap up a cake and now cut off any competition and take that thing. You understand, man? All I'm saying, when I can't move, I will beat and drive. You can move. So a dear turn room, you click off a face. You understand me, sir? That be nice, man. That be nice. That be nice. Stay still. Keep on that ear, you go miss about that people on me. Cut me a cut off it. You hear me tell you, man?
Yes, sir.
Take care. I think you're funny. Hey, farmer. Any day you go to parade and shop up a cake and me a kill you. Any Me not afraid of you. And second time this, you report to people.
Just don't kill me, don't kill me.
Shut up, I'm not. Joe.
Yo, I want you. You want to me? One butler me I look for.
So a butler around here, you know, make you walk and look for him, especially with knife.
Yo, you see me hold him, you see me buck him. Yo, this a bucking I'm you. Yo, me I use this and carve him up, daddy. You don't know, say man I sleep with my wife, brother. And the whole community know that. I can't even know. And nobody no come to me and tell me, brother, until I find out by myself. Yo, Mike, I just want to see him, brother. I can't even know you.
Boy, Shiloh, I encourage you, bro. Don't put yourself in no trouble. You know, worthy dog.
I don't put myself in no trouble. Nobody now catch me when I do this. Matter of fact, I don't want to hear that fire. Come now calm down, brother. I just want to hold him before somebody calm me down, daddy. Come now calm down, daddy. Right now, I'm mad right now. I tell you that. Remember me tell you that. Thing good, man.
Yeah. So I'm here now.
What? You don't see one butler?
No, I don't see butler. So your face look like so they cry dog.
I mean it's not a ball.
We are cry for.
Come on, catch him.
No. Watch your man. Which one? The butler you attack?
What you mean?
Just start.
I can't even know you. I can't even know you. Me say man a rampy woman in the bed.
I do what?
And me say man a sleepy woman in the bed. I see, yo, not even you want to tell nobody, you know, till him get to him forget in the bed.
But you can't do that, brother. But the man a deal with me, I wait on. I never walk up and look for him with the knife, my general. Yo, the man have two boys every evening, them come in and play ball and kick out my window, you know. At 3 weeks now, I have to put in new window blade in my general. Every time I say to the man I laugh, and I tell me say a joke thing, and I don't feel him pitting do it, you know. I met, yo, I say I want to see him forgive, yo, but...
When I talk about window blade, brother, I'm a woman, the man around pretty, you know. You don't want to hear nothing about no window blade, yo, brother. I'm a white, look a woman look good. You don't want to hear nothing about no window blade, brother. I'm a flesh that him around pretty, you know. You just look for him on the side there, I'm a look for him on the side there. Just go and go look for him. Look for him on the side there, I mean look for him on the side there, yeah?
Yeah, man.
And when you find him, you call me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, because me find him, man. Yeah, man. Say a word, man.
And I can replace the woman too. Hey, can you imagine? How much you pay for your light bill? I said that the man now get another vote. Eh? Time come now, we have to make a change.
Why, buckler?
Hey, Shiloh, it's why you do, Shiloh.
You know you say a trouble woman. You say a sleepy woman. Eh?
Yo, nobody with the foolishness, you know.
I mean you say a trouble woman.
I will tell them foolishness.
I mean, you're not a trouble woman.
I will tell them foolishness.
I mean, you say a sleepy woman, brother. I done you now, you know. I never know. Done me, I got done you now, you.
No.
I feel right. So I catch you in the angle now.
Yo, I said, type of foolishness, you know.
Stop with foolishness. Stop with foolishness. How are you? I cut out your bed.
Hey, boy, Shiloh, type of foolishness, man. Hey, Shiloh, you know how much money, you know how much food and put on the table you want to kill, man. Eh?
You bust up my face. Bust up my head.
I miss about landing too pretty them crazy. Be careful. But remember, Mr. Butler, they're walking on shot for just arrive.
Going there.
Me I go round so, go check Sister Patsy, you know. And when me in the bed with Sister Patsy, you know, say Chucky and big boy under the bed, I count. Everything.
Jesus Christ. Then I wake them where they come from.
Hey, Tone man. Mister.
Mr. Butler have two little boy over there.
Yeah.
Me hear say him police, when the police come come for them last night.
I let me look for I really go on.
Eh?
I really go on.
Boy, me no know. Me no know. But I just want a little birdie come tell me say them tear up some farmer paper and something and him lock them up, or somebody round the road them must see a thief out something and him lock them up. Is it?
Yeah.
Because them two little boy them get out of hand, you know?
Yeah, them here tell us 3 gate, my people get down, so I see them I jump on the fence, I go over the people in yards, man. I talk to them as big man, and the boy I cuss me.
Yes,
so they don't really have one.
And they have no respect, them not reach nowhere.
Man, I know I walk go on still, you know?
Listen, man.
And if I can't be all the parents them neither too, you know, because them move some way nowadays, man. I know what happened to them star.
Yo, me I tell you, man, me say, man, if we not do something as a community member, something I go happen to we can't go turn around here. You can't go turn sit down here so and on the roadside and scale the fish them.
I sure, man. You
have to hide gunshot.
Yeah.
And a hide gunshot.
Yeah. Them a go on bad, man. And a little boy them, you know?
Little boy them, and me don't know his way. Who's walk with and bring them crosses around here so now.
Yeah. I you with them, man, but my time as I say, you can't be a person because them are more for their own, you know. Much bigger one than them are do too, you know.
Well, I'm not doing that, you know, say. Miss Russell, there with the little taxi man there down the road there.
Oh, yeah, that me get find out.
Yeah?
That me get find out. I mean, a big man say him fix over it still.
And I tell me that, and then he come to church and I go on like I say. Yeah?
Yeah. Everybody have the good thing I hide, but they don't make everybody know, you know.
Me say, you know what, I know when night time come when they go on over the air there.
Sure, man.
That me I tell you know what, I know when night time come. Hey, move right, some people there, sir.
Yeah, man. You see the program still, but you may not want to send them as a look.
Well, anyway, so they can't go over shop and say, you see?
Yeah, man, me there, man. Yeah, me general.
Well, when they come back, we shoot. I just sound like
yeah.
Can't make one.
See you.